Peanut butter.
The spread that single-handedly fuels kids' lunchboxes, bodybuilders' protein diets, and the occasional midnight, just one spoon disaster. But how does this creamy addiction get made? Let's find out. The journey begins with truckloads of peanuts, and no, they're not the circus kind your uncle eats while embarrassing himself. These are carefully selected runner peanuts, prized because they roast evenly and don't look like mutant leftovers. Fun fact, it takes about 1,100 peanuts to fill one jar. Yeah, the same number your cousin Raj eats in one sitting when he says, "Bas thoda aur." First stop, the roaster. Here, peanuts tumble around in a hot air chamber reaching nearly 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Basically, it's a peanut sauna, except instead of cucumber water, they get roasted alive. A perfectly even roast means maximum flavor, unless the machine decides to have a nervous breakdown, which apparently helps roast them more evenly anyway. Who knew malfunctions could be so productive? Next, the freshly roasted peanuts are rushed into a cooling chamber. Think of it like going from a desert straight into an AC movie theater. This step locks in the peanut oils, ensuring your peanut butter is smooth instead of tasting like old cardboard. Now comes the blancher, a giant contraption that strips the peanuts of their skins and bitter little hearts. It's like a spa treatment, if the spa treatment involved being shredded alive. The bitter parts are tossed aside, leaving only the good stuff. Somewhere in the corner, barrels of peanut skins pile up, waiting for absolutely no one to claim them. Then comes the grinder. This is where the real magic happens. The peanuts are dropped into what I like to call the point of no return. Giant steel blades crush them down until they become a golden paste. It happens so fast, you'd think the peanuts signed up for a speedrun challenge. At this stage, extra ingredients are added: sugar, salt, sometimes stabilizers, and oil. Basically, the stuff that makes peanut butter spreadable instead of sticking your mouth shut like industrial glue. This is also the stage where creamy and crunchy versions are born. Creamy lovers say it's smooth perfection. Crunchy lovers say it has texture. And I say both sides need therapy. Finally, the peanut butter makes its way into jars. A row of glass or plastic containers glide along a conveyor belt, and each one gets filled with precision no human hand could ever match. The jars are capped, sealed, and labeled before being boxed up and shipped to supermarkets everywhere. And just like that, your peanut butter is ready. From humble peanut to creamy addiction, the process is both industrial and oddly satisfying. So next time you scoop a spoonful straight from the jar, don't lie, I know you do, remember the army of machines and roasted peanut corpses that made it possible.